Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Lana Taylor, or Doula Lana, and I am a newly qualified teacher and an abuela trained doula. As you can tell by the title, in this video we will be going through how I grew my baby girl's hair shoulder length, and that's on period. Number 1, washing her hair frequently. I'm not sure how frequently a lot of you mamas wash your baby's hair, but I have washed her hair almost every day, or near enough every single day. If she was having a bath every other day, then I'd wash her hair every other day. If she is having a bath every single day, then I'll wash her hair every single day. And that really just helps just keep the hair moistured and flexible. Number 2, scalp massages. I will put research here to help you guys, so you know I'm not just talking. It's based in fact. Scalp massages really do promote hair growth for yourself and also for your baby. All you need to do is just gentle massages of the scalp. I will link a video right here for you to click where I give you actual practical demonstrations of this, so you can see that for yourself and check it out. You can do this with or without product. It's literally up to you. I tend to do it with product, but you can do it with or without. Doing scalp massages really just stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, and it really promotes hair growth for your baby. Number 3, keeping the hair moisturized. The key for keeping your hair moisturized, your baby's hair, and for your own, is to lock in the moisture. The moisture is the water. So the water, once you've preferably after you've washed the baby's hair because it's already wet, you want to lock in this moisture with an oil. So you use the oil as a sealant to lock in the moisture. So I tend to just do a scalp massage with the oil and the tips of my fingers as I weave it through my baby girl's hair. It keeps her hair moisturizing and flourishing all day long. And 4, my last and final tip for you to cover your baby's hair. Once you have moisturized your baby's hair, you want to kind of cover it, because it would be bad for the oils or the moisture to just transfer every time you lay them down, especially when they're in the earlier months of life. They're lying down a lot of the time, so it defeats the purpose of you moisturizing it if every time you moisturize it all the oils just gets transferred onto the surface that they're laying on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Join the channel if you really like this content and you want to see more of it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. By the way, mamas, you're doing a great job. Let's keep going. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.